Can America's tariffs really slow down in India's export machine? Despite tariff shocks and rising trade tensions, Indian exports to the US have remained remarkably resilient. So, why is America still buying from India, and can India reduce its dependence on the US? If you are looking for the answers, you are at the right place. Hello everyone, you're watching Commodity Today English. I am Palak Singh. Despite the tariff pressure under US President Donald Trump, India's export engine has continued to expand. The United States remains India's single largest export destination, with roughly one-fifth of India's merchandise exports still going to the American market. So, why has India's export machine remained strong? The simplest answer is competitiveness. Even when tariffs increase the price of Indian goods in the US, American buyers may continue sourcing from India if Indian products remain competitive on price, quality, reliability, and supply chain strength. India has also built strong position in sectors such as pharmaceuticals, electronics, engineering goods, chemicals, and petroleum products. Generic pharmaceuticals are major example, with Indian companies deeply integrated into the US healthcare supply chain. But India is also changing its strategy. New Delhi is increasingly focusing on export diversification instead of relying only on the US market. India is expanding trade opportunities across Europe, the UK, and the Gulf and Ocean. The India-UK trade agreement, for example, provides duty-free access for around 99% of Indian export to Britain. India is also pursuing greater market access through agreements with the European Union, Oman, and New Zealand. So, is India moving away from America? Not exactly. The strategy appears to be diversification rather than replacement. The US market is simply too large and important for Indian exporters to abandon overnight. At the same time, having more markets gives Indian business a safety net. If tariffs rise or demand weakens in one country, exporters can increasingly look towards other destinations. India's combined merchandise and services exports reached a record $86.1 billion in financial year 2025 to 2026. Merchandise exports also reached a monthly record of around $44.24 billion in July. According to the report, of course, the tariffs impact is real. Some labor incentive sectors, including gems and jewelry, have faced pressure, but that has not translated into a structural collapse of India's overall export machine. So, the question now is, can America still shake India's export machine? The answer may be it can create pressure, but India is becoming more resilient. The US remains a crucial market, but India is building more options across the globe. And that could be the key India's long-term export strategy. Keep selling to America while making sure America is not the only market India depends on. What do you think? Can India maintain its export momentum despite US tariffs and growing global trade uncertainty? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next update.